guys, how are you? I hope you are all fine at home. Today I am going to teach you the lesson A Green World. See, last time you making many confusions. First lesson I thought, again I went to the seventh lesson because EVS mixed with the G Science and Social Studies also. So that's why when I complete G Science, I go through the social. Okay, so that's why in middle of the part that lesson I selected. So now again a green word, it's related to the G Science, but it mixed in the EVS. Let's see what we learn in this lesson. A green world. We know world where we are living. We are living on the land where it is on earth. It is called the world, right? So how is our world? Our earth, it is called the blue planet, right? Earth is called the blue planet. Why we call here green world? What is the reason behind that? So now I am going to teach you. So before that, see here given one of the activity, color the tree according to the colors indicated. The given brown color crayon and the green color crayon. You can write for the trunk brown color, again green for the leaves. You know how is the tree. So the trunk is in the brown in color, but the leaves are in the green in color. First I will teach you. Our earth has, say look at from here I am going to teach you. Our earth has a green cover of plants on its surface. Plants are found all around us. Some plants grow on land and some grow in water. Living beings cannot exist without plants. They need plants for food and oxygen. Plants are of different shapes and sizes. Trees. Trees are tall and big plants. A tree has thick, strong and woody stem called trunk. It helps the tree to stand upright. In most trees, the trunk bears many small stems called branches. The branches bear leaves, flowers and fruits. The trunk is covered with a thick, hard outer covering called bark. Trees live for many years. A tree is home to several small animals like squirrels, birds and insects. There are two examples. There is the peepal tree and the coconut tree. Look at this. Wow. The Great Banyan Tree is Botanical Gardens, Kolkata is the largest banyan tree in the world. Enough up to there. Did you see our earth, children? Did you see? See, our earth is called in a green world. Why? Because our earth has many landforms, water forms, again forests, like that many places are there, different places are there. But each and every, mostly on the land part, there are many trees are covered. Many trees, plants are covered. So that's why our earth is called the green world. You know, some plants, we can find many plants and trees on the earth. Some plants grow on water. Where do they grow plants and trees? Do you know? I said the earth has many parts like land part, water part, ice part, again desert part is there. But in all the parts of the earth, the plants and trees, they can grow. Where do they grow? The plants and the trees, they grow all over the world, even in water also, on land also, or in the desert also, even ice places, ice age places also, the plants and trees, they can grow. How it can grow? Let me see. I said many of the plants, they can grow on the water. For example, the lotus, lily. Look at these. These plants, they grow on the water. Water and lily, they grow in the water. And some plants, they grow on land. So I will discuss in the next. Do you know living being things cannot exist without plants? Do you know who are the living beings? We are. Humans are the living beings. And the animals are the living beings. Birds are the living beings. Every living being, even fish, water animals, that all are the living beings. We learn what are the living things in the last classes. So, we are all surviving. How? By using the plants and the plants and the trees. How we are surviving? Whatever we need, we are breathing always. Is it no? How many hours we are living? We are always breathing. So, what we are breathing? We are breathing the oxygen. That oxygen we get from the plants and trees. So, that's why without plants and trees, we cannot live. Even whatever we need, our food, that food also we get from the plants and trees. See, we are eating fruits, mango, apple. These are all we are getting from orange. These are all we getting from the trees, right? Even whatever making morning tiffin, dosa or chapati. So that all we get from the plants. Okay. So without plants and trees, we cannot survive. Keep in your mind. Again, plants are different shapes and sizes. So from that shapes and sizes, we are decided into the 5 parts, which are that herbs, shrubs, climbers, trees, creepers. Say which are the different types of the plants? Herbs, shrubs, climbers, trees, again creepers. What are the herbs? These are very small plants, very tiny plants. That plants live only few months. Okay, briefly I'll explain in the next class. Lightly I'm going to tell you. Shrubs, these plants, they can live only few months or few years only. But the climbers, these are also, it's very tiny plants and it can climb towards the stick or on wall. Did you see money plant? How it can climb? Without support can climb? No. Right? Again, trees. The trees are very big plants. The trees are very big plants. Then creepers. Creepers are, these plants also very thin. It can also live only few months. They can grow along the ground. Now I am going to select the topic of trees. In the textbook is there trees, no? So what are the trees? Trees are tall and big plants. The tall and big plants are called the trees. Tell me once again. The tall and big plants are called the trees. Do you know a tree has thick, strong, woody stem? The tree has, see, almost the tree has thick and strong woody stem. This is called the stem. This part is called the stem. Even I will explain in the next class the parts of the plant. Do you know the parts of the plant? Roots, stem, leaves, branches, flower, fruit, again bud. Okay, so this is called the stem. This is called the stem, but in the trees the stem is very strong and very thick. So that part is called the trunk. What that part is called? Trunk. Tell me. A tree has a thick, strong, woody stem. It is called the trunk. And again, it helps the tree to stand up. Why they need the strong stem, you know? So the tree is very big, right? So they want to stand upright. See, we have legs. If we have the strong legs, we are standing straightly. Without strong legs, how we can stand? No, right? Like that, even trees have this trunk to grow upright. And in most trees, the trunk bears many small stems that called the branches. See, it has many separate parts are there. Is it no? Like these separate parts are there. So that's called the branches. The branches bears leaves, flowers and fruits. See, look at every trees. Look at the every trees. It has leaves. Almost all trees have the leaves. So, but these leaves are almost all leaves are in green in color. But in some trees there are red color, orange color, even pink color also they can bear. Even flowers, fruits also bear on the branches of the tree. The trunk is covered with a thick hard outer look. It's called the bark. Look at in the tree. Look at any one of the tree. Which can I select? Orange? Okay, orange tree. I selected. See, in this trunk, what is the trunk? A strong woody stem is called the trunk. And that trunk, it is in a dark brown in color. That is one of the one layer. That layer is called the bark. Okay, trees leaves. These are all trees leaves many years. This is not only 2 months, 3 months or 1 year, but these trees they can live many years. More than 1000 years also. What? Banyan tree. Banyan tree they can live in thousands of years also. Do you know? I teach, you know, before the when I am reading the textbook, the great banyan tree in the botanical gardens in the Kolkata. It is the largest banyan tree in the world. Next class I will show that banyan tree. This is the banyan tree. Like this banyan tree, one of the banyan tree it was in the Kolkata. It's a very largest banyan tree in the world. Okay, next time I'll show that picture. But but look at here. See how many types of trees, how many different types of the trees are there. This is the sandalwood tree. That is called the what? Chandan. ಚಂದನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಚಂದನ್ ಅಂತ ಹಿಂದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, sandalwood. From this sandalwood make the sandalwood soap. Again sticks, sandalwood sticks ಆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Again plantain. This is the banana plant. It is not a tree. Again this is called the banyan tree. And this is the cashew tree. This is the guava tree. And this is the papaya plant. Sometimes it's called the papaya plant. Papaya and banana it's called the plant. Again deodar plant, coconut plant. You know that coconut plant, it's a very tall coconut tree. It is very tall. Then jackfruit tree orange tree, bamboo plant, even this is also plant. Then people tree, many in villages under the people tree there is one of the small like temple, small temple, not like okay temple, some idols they kept, nagarkallu anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, so they're doing the puja. Again tamarind, this is the tamarind tree, all the villagers you know the tamarind tree. tamarind ಅಂದರೆ ಹುಣಸೆ ಹಣ್ಣು ಅಂತ, ಹುಣಸೆ ಹಣ್ಣು ಮರ ಗೊತ್ತು ತಾನೇ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಅಗೈನ್ teak tree, this is the date tree, that means karjura, do you know karjura, that's a plant. Again palm tree, and it is the mango tree, and this is neem tree. Okay, are you understand children? So again in tree helps many ways. How? I said only it gives oxygen and it gives food. Many trees gives food and gives the oxygen also, I said. But you know a tree is giving us even shade also. Some many animals they are living on the trees, even monkeys, small ants, squirrels, snakes, birds, even frogs, mouses, like that many animals they are living on the trees. So the tree is home of the some few animals, right? So that's why it's very useful to us. So you can read the textbook. What is that? This page and this page up to here, you can read that and learn the spellings also. I hope you are all understand children. Next class I will continue the different types of the plants, shrubs, herbs, again climbers, creepers, these are all I'll explain. Okay, bye kids.